All right, this is the Subaru Technician's Reference Booklet on the Boxer engine. So this training module includes the 2.2 liter engine, disassembling, service, and diagnostics, in-vehicle servicing, engine disassembly, component inspection and service, precautions, engine reassembly, notes and cautions, um, enhancements of the 2.2 liter phase one. And this also goes into the 2.5 liter engine features, spark plug replacement procedure for the 2.5 liter engine installation. And also, this includes the 3.0 liter engine. So it goes into details on the features of the Boxer engine, valve components, engine series model, connecting rods, oil pump, engine servicing. Here's your 2.2 liter engine servicing diagnostics, engine disassembly, and it's also going to go to the engine assembly steps on reassembling the engine. Okay, this is going to be it's 84 pages long. To get instant access to this, click on the link below and go to my website. And once the payment is processed, you're going to get instant access to this PDF file or book. You can search Control F. You can search words and numbers on the document, and this can be viewed on any device, either a smartphone or a laptop or a computer. All right, so click link below and get instant access.